Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got a brand new unboxing and review for you on the channel. Without further ado guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button and please subscribe to the channel if you are new around here, and also hit the bell so you don't miss another one of these videos. It's going to be a very quick unboxing for you guys today because a little bit delayed in me getting these, and not only that, but they're all over YouTube by now. But let us get into it. As you can tell from the box, it is that beautiful purple Nike SB box. Label reads Nike SB Dunk Low Premium, Coconut Milk, and Light Bone. Now I went with a size 12 because to me, lately, Nike SBs have been fitting a little bit snug. Usually I am a true to size 11.5, but in all my Nike SBs as of late, I've been going up a half a size to a size 12. Now flipping open the box, guys, gonna get your standard Nike SB paper, and then you're also gonna get the shoes right here. Now something to note, since these are technically not a collaboration, you will also get the Nike SB sticker in the box, something to note right there. So that's right guys, these are the City of Love Nike SB Dunk Lows. This is the coconut milk part of the pack. Now I was not able to secure the burgundy crush pair. I'll throw an image up on the screen of those. Those were the more sought after pair out of the pack. Personally, I would have rather have had those other than these, but these are the only ones I was able to secure on the sneakers app. So those burgundy crush, what's weird about this pack actually is that, so the burgundy, these sold out originally all over sneakers. The very first instant they sold out. Burgundy crush also sold out. However, about 25 minutes later or so, they actually had a full size run restock on desktop on the sneakers app, which I thought was very interesting. So even though those were the more sought after pair, it does look like those were actually the more produced pair. So there was a lot more pairs of those than there were of these. So first thing is first, with this pair right here, I just want to point out that you're also going to get an extra set of laces with these guys right here. So you are going to get the red set of laces. It does come with that coconut milk or cream colored lace that's already pre-laced in the shoe. Now, other than that, guys, let us get straight into it. So first thing to note on this particular pair, as opposed to that burgundy crush pair, is that this is going to come in an all over satin print. So your toe box is going to be satin right there. The medial of the foot is also going to be satin behind the swoosh. Back heel portion of the back heel tab right, you know, between the two suede panels is also going to be satin. You are going to also get a satin sock liner, which I actually really do like, that satin sock liner. It is pretty plush as well, nice and padded with those memory foam heel pods in there as well. So pretty cool. And then also the tongue is also going to be an all satin tongue. Now these do also come with the puffy Nike SB tongue, which I love. The logo is going to be, you're gonna have that red thread going throughout that Nike swoosh right here on the tongue as well, which I think is a really cool nod to this little, you know, pack. Now also going over to the heel of the sneaker, you will notice that you're gonna have the suede paneling as well as the Nike embroidering in white on the back of that heel tab right there, which I think is awesome. Other than that, you're going to get some nice tumbled leather on the swoosh, and behind that you're gonna get this little 3M hit. I believe it's 3M, or maybe it's just a patent leather behind the actual swoosh right there, but whatever it is, it does look pretty nice. Gives a little bit of dimension. And then other than the satin, you're also just going to get this gray suede all over the toe box, as well as the uppers and going along the eyelets as well. So that is a nice feeling suede. It's like more of that little rougher cut suede, but they should be actually pretty decent to skate in. I don't know how, if you're actually going to skate in these, how that satin panel is going to hold up over time. To me personally, I would have rather had a leather toe box and stuff like that. Like the satin feels really nice, it feels obviously soft, but they're going to crease really bad as you wear them, and they're also going to get extremely dirty very fast. So that is one thing to note on this sneaker. But other than that, I mean, you're also going to get the red threading going all through the midsole as well. Now, something to note, if you can look really close on this, I'm going to have the overhead shot, so you'll be able to get much greater detail from those. But you're also going to notice it's like that regrind material that they do on the outsoles and midsoles. You're actually going to get it on the midsole as well as the outsole itself. It's kind of like that regrind. It's like that recycled material almost. You can kind of see all the flake in the outsole. You will notice that the little foam pod right there, the SB, is in red, which I think is really nice. And then making your way over to the insole, you're going to get this Nike SB branded insole. It will have the little logo going, like for the City of Love, with the two hands touching, with the red thread going in between. And then you're going to get the little Nike SB in red with the logo. Now this will come with that Zoom Air insole unit, as well as the Pour-On forefoot going up towards the toe box. But yeah, man, really nice little sneaker right here. It is surprisingly not a collaboration, but really good attention to details. I actually really like this pair. I've been digging Nike SBs in general as of late. I think that they wear pretty comfortably as opposed to like the regular Dunks, just because they're such hard, cheap plastic. And honestly, just like the actual model, like the silhouette, I think it looks a little bit better in general. So let me know what you guys think about these down below. Would you rather have had the Burgundy Crush like I would have rather had? Did you end up going for these? Did you cop them? Let me know all that good stuff in the comment section. So guys, really quick unboxing and review. I just wanted to get these things out for you guys in order for you to enjoy some content. I know that these things are pretty much all over YouTube now, so I am a little bit late to the party, unfortunately. That's just kind of how the cookie crumbles when it comes to reviews over on YouTube. You know, it is what it is. I mean, if you're not early, you're kind of last when it comes to YouTube nowadays, so it is what it is. I guarantee you this video probably won't even get that many views just because it's late. But it is what it is. I still like to produce content for you guys that enjoy watching my channel. So, you know, let me know what you guys think about them down below. And other than that, guys, that's pretty much going to do it for me on the video today. So if you did enjoy, please, like I said, make sure you are smashing that like button. Please subscribe if you are new around here, if you do enjoy the content. I've been posting a ton of it lately. And if you haven't already, hit the bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. And that's going to do it for me, guys. My name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Nike SB Dunk Low Premium City of Love pack, the coconut milk joints. We're out. Peace.